In this video, we are going to see how we can add the comments and also reply to it in Google Docs. So let's say that you want to add a special comment for your team to review, because this Google Docs can be shared with multiple people on your team. Using this share option, you can share it. So let's say that you want other team members to reply to that specific comment that you have left for a particular word or next to a specific paragraph. So we just right click here to insert a comment, click on comment, and here we can add others or just write a simple comment. What do you think about it? Put a comment, and then the other people can simply reply to it just by clicking on this one. The comment is open on our right. It's pretty nice, and we can simply reply to it. Similarly, other team member can also reply to it, and all of those replies will be reflected along with the username here in the comment section. If someone wants to reply it with emoji, all they have to do is just hover over the comment and just click on add emoji reaction, and they can add whatever emoji they want to add. And that's how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.